Kimi K3 runs locally for free. That's the claim everywhere right now. Is it true? I'm going to give you the honest answer, plus the real free way to use this thing today. Quick note before we start, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. This video walks you through Kimi K3, what it can do, and how to actually use it without spending a cent. Let's start with what Kimi K3 even is. It comes from Moonshot AI, a lab based in China. This model dropped in July, and it's huge. We're talking 2.8 trillion total parameters. That number alone makes it the biggest open weight model anyone has ever released. Now, that number can be confusing. Here's the simple version. A model like this doesn't use all 2.8 trillion parts at once. It's built like a team of experts. For every question you ask, it only wakes up the right experts for that job. Out of 896 possible experts, it picks 16, plus 2 that are always on. That means it only actively uses about 104 billion parameters at a time. That's why it can be this big and still answer fast. It also reads a huge amount at once. The context window is over 1 million tokens. Think of that as a giant desk. Most AI models have a small desk, so they have to keep clearing it off to fit new papers. Kimi K3 has a desk big enough to hold a whole book, a whole code project, or months of notes, all spread out at the same time, without losing track of any of it. It can also see Kimi K3 reads images and video, not just text. So you can hand it a screenshot, a chart, or a photo, and it understands what's in front of it. Here's the part that got everyone talking. On independent tests, Kimi K3 is landing near Claude Fable 5, and on some coding and agent tasks, it's beating Claude Opus 4.8. It also took the top spot on WebDev Arena, which ranks models by how well they build real websites. That's the first time an open model has ever taken that spot. Let me make that real for you. I used Kimi K3 to draft a full week of content built around the exact questions AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking me. I gave it the list of questions and it turned that into hooks, scripts, and captions in one pass. That's the kind of content that pulls the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom instead of random clicks that never stick around. So now you're probably asking the big question, can you download this and run it on your own computer? Here's where I have to be straight with you. Moonshot did open the weights. That part is true and it matters. The full model was published on Hugging Face, split across 96 separate files. But owning the files is not the same as running the files. Let's pause here for something important. If you're watching this and thinking, this is moving fast and I don't want to fall behind, that's exactly why the AI Profit Boardroom exists. As a heads up, I'm an AI avatar, but everything I'm sharing here is real and tested. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we walk you through exactly how to set up and use models like Kimi K3 to save time and automate parts of your business, from writing content to planning out your customer journey. You get weekly coaching calls where you can ask about your own Kimi K3 setup, daily tutorials that show the exact prompts and workflows, and a full roadmap so you're not guessing what to try first. If you want the shortcut, instead of figuring this out alone, that's what it's built for. Let's get back to the model itself because there's more worth knowing before you decide how to use it. This model needs serious hardware. Moonshot's own guidance says you need a setup with 64 or more high-end accelerators just to load it. A normal gaming PC, even a really expensive one, can't touch this. This is server room hardware. So when someone tells you just run it locally for free, they're leaving out the part that matters most. Good news though, there is a real working free option, and it doesn't need a single graphics card in your house. Go to kimi.com in your browser, sign in with a free account. A Google login or a phone number gets you in fast, no credit card needed. When you land inside, the model drop-down defaults to the older K2.6 model. You need to open that drop-down and switch it to K3. That one click is the step most people skip, and then they wonder why the answers feel weak. They're still on the old model. While you're in that drop-down, you'll also spot something called K3 Swarm. This mode runs several AI agents at once on your task. It's powerful, but it burns through your free tokens fast. If you're on a free account, skip Swarm for now and stick with plain K3. A few settings help your free tokens go further. Keep the context window on standard instead of the extra long option, since the bigger window is a paid feature and eats tokens fast. Keep the thinking effort on standard instead of max, since a higher thinking effort means the model chews on your question longer. And if you hit a wall during a busy time of day, come back later. Usage tends to open back up when fewer people are online. One more honest note here, because accuracy matters more than hype. Some reports say the deepest features, like the full 1 million token window and the fastest response speed, sit behind a small paid tier once you go past casual use. So think of the free plan as a real useful way to test and build with K3, not an unlimited version of the flagship model. Start free, see what you actually need, then decide from there. Here's a simple way to picture your first session. Open Kimi.com, switch to K3, and ask it to plan out a welcome sequence for new members joining a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Watch how it lays out the steps on its own. Let's talk about why this model is getting so much attention beyond the size. Moonshot built two new pieces of tech into it. One is called Kimi Delta Attention. The other is called Attention Residuals. In plain English, these are new ways for the model to keep track of information without slowing down or forgetting things as the conversation gets longer. That's part of why it can hold that huge 1 million token memory without falling apart. This also explains why K3 is so strong at coding and building websites. Long, complex projects need a model that remembers what it built 10 steps ago. A lot of older models start forgetting halfway through and the code breaks. K3 was built to hold the whole picture. Now let's get into how you'd actually use this day to day, because that's what matters more than the specs. Say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You could ask Kimi K3 to draft a full onboarding message for a new member, one that explains what to do on day one, what call to join first, and where to find the resources. You give it your notes once and it drafts the whole thing in your voice. Or say you want to grow that same community. You could hand K3 a list of the top questions your members ask every week, the way I did, and have it turn those into short video hooks and captions. That's a direct way to use a brand new AI model to pull more of the right people towards something like the AI Profit Boardroom, instead of writing every hook from scratch yourself. Kimi K3 landed right in the middle of a packed few weeks for AI releases. Several other big models came out around the same time, which means the competition for the top open model spot is moving fast. That's actually useful for you. It means better free tools keep showing up, and you don't need to chase every single one. You need a way to plug new models in as they arrive instead of rebuilding your whole workflow every time. That's the real skill here. Not memorizing every spec of Kimi K3, but knowing how to test a new model quickly, see if it's actually useful for your work, and drop it into what you're already doing. Here's a good way to test that for yourself today. Open Kimi.com, switch to K3, and give it one real task from your week. Maybe that's drafting a product description, planning a week of posts, or summarizing a long document. Compare how it handles that task against whatever tool you're using right now. That one test tells you more than any benchmark chart. Let's talk numbers for a second, because they matter here. K3 is around 75% bigger than DeepSeek's V4 Pro, which was previously the largest widely used open model. That's a big jump in one release. On the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, independent testers place it near the very top of all open models. On WebDev Arena, where models are graded purely on how well they build working websites, it holds the #1 spot among every model tested, not just open ones. None of that means it's perfect. No model is. It still makes mistakes, and like most large models, it can state something confidently that turns out to be wrong. So treat it the same way you treat any powerful new tool. Use it to speed up your first draft, then check the important details yourself before you publish or ship anything. Let's bring this back to the main question we started with. Can Kimi K3 run locally for free? The honest answer is yes for the download, no for running it on a normal computer. The weights are public. The hardware to run them is not something most people or businesses own. The real free path is the hosted version at Kimi.com, and that path is genuinely useful if you know which settings to pick. So here's what I'd do if I were you. Go test it today. Open Kimi.com, sign in free, switch from K2.6 to K3, and give it one real task tied to your work. See how it handles it, then decide if it earns a permanent spot in your toolkit. The bigger pattern here matters more than this one model. New AI tools are going to keep showing up every few weeks, some free, some not, some real, some overhyped. The businesses that win aren't the ones chasing every headline. They're the ones who know how to quickly test a new tool, keep what works, and drop it straight into a system that already runs. If you want that system built out for you, specifically around tools like Kimi K3, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We keep the roadmap updated as new models land, so you always know the current best way to save time and get more done without spending weeks testing everything yourself. Go to aiprofitboardroom.com or check the link in the description. And if you want the free version of learning this stuff, come join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free, and you'll get access to a community of 75,000 people who are testing and using AI tools like this every single day. You'll find guides, real examples, and other members happy to answer your questions. Links are in the comments and the description. That's the full picture on Kimi K3. Big model, real free access if you know the setup, and a hardware wall for anyone chasing the local dream. Test it today and let it earn its spot in how you work.